Hello, little friends. Let's meet our colorful shape friends. Are you ready? Yay, let's go! Here comes Mr. Circle. He's round and blue. He rolls, 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 just like a ball, too. Now look, it's Miss Square. She's red and fair. She has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clap your hands and count some more. Hello, Triangle. You're yellow and bright. With 3 sharp corners, you shine in the light. Aw, look, a pink heart, full of love and cheer. When heart smiles, everybody feels near. Wow, a shining green star. You sparkle from afar. Up in the sky, twinkle, twinkle bright. Show us your glowing light. Yay! All the shapes are here. Circle, square, triangle, heart, and star. They're dancing together, making a rainbow bar. Red, yellow, blue, and green. Our shape friends are the cutest we've seen. Bye-bye, shape friends. See you next time. Keep learning colors, keep learning shapes, and keep smiling all the way.